All right, y'all. This is the Sensy Seal80. The group buy ends on April 30th, so you won't have much time to decide if you want to buy it. But I feel like it is an outstanding TKL, at least top mounted TKL, one of those classic top mounted TKLs. I think in the future, once the group buy completes and people get their boards, it's going to be very sought after just because it's very minimal, professional looking, looks great, sounds great. Can't really go wrong with either. Show it off for you really quick. This is the brass weight carbon badge. This is the green colorway. Same here. This is carbon. It has like a scoop in the TKL cluster. And I'm going to do a quick double sound test. One is going to be your typical Cherry MX2A oranges on aluminum for the Cherry fans. And then it's currently built with the 4mm ABS plate and HMX electric wave switches. So there'll be a sound test with that as well. I like it, highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy the sound tests. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.